Hey guys, well we're here in Moorea. It's been almost a week since we got here and we have just really loved our time here. We haven't done a lot of filming because we've just tried to live in the moment with our friends Ian and Tara on Isla, and then also we have gotten to know the Pinnacle crew, Rich and Steph, and their two adorable boys, Rue and Jess. So we have done a bunch of things with them. We've gone hiking up to the pinnacle just above where our boat is. It's a very cool hike and definitely worth doing. The views are amazing. And then we also have played a lot of beach games like bocce and some other games, which we have just loved having our evenings there. And today we're headed to the Rotui Juice Factory. We have not been there yet. We've been to the tasting room, but we have not been to the actual factory and getting to see how they process fruit actually that's been shipped in mainly to Moorea. They can't produce enough here to continue the juice line, so they ship a lot of it in from all over the world. So that's what we're doing today, so that should be a lot of fun.
Boy, it's been a while since I've had a hairnet.
They juice, but there's not much fruit.
My favorite is the tropical.
Welcome to Juice de Fruits de Moorea and Manutea Tahiti companies. Established in the 80s, they manufacture fruit juices, rums, pineapple wines, fruit punch, liqueurs, and jams.
And the finest hairnets.
We're looking at three lines. There's the papaya guava line,
Okay.
the grapefruit line, and the pineapple line.
Visiting the Rotui Juice Factory feels like stumbling into a tropical version of Willy Wonka's factory, but with pineapples instead of chocolate. You follow the self-guided path past bright displays and big processing windows where you can watch the whole journey unfold, from fresh fruit being pulped to cartons being filled, sealed, and packed into boxes ready for shipping across the islands. So today they are filling juices. Over here they're loading up the juice boxes. It goes into the machine and the juice box gets open. And then they fill the juice. And then after they fill the juice, it drops a top on it. And there it goes to production. It's quirky, colorful, and genuinely fascinating. And the taste testing at the end is the perfect sweet reward. We just finished the self-guided tour and it was great to be able to see the production of the Rotui juice here. We love Rotui juice. And now we are headed into the tasting center.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Merci. We've been here in Moorea for a week today, or yesterday actually, and it is beautiful. We didn't think we'd be here this long, but we have decided to stay. We're having a great time, so we've canceled our doctor appointments in Tahiti, and we're sticking around in Moorea for another week or so to just hang out and be with our friends. But today, it's a special day. It is the captain's birthday. So we are gonna head up the valley to Belvedere Lookout on our bikes, which is gonna really hurt. And then we are going to hike to the Three Pines. The Three Pines hike starts up at the Belvedere. There are two hikes out of there. Three Cocos or Three Pines, I guess it is. Anyway, we did the Coco route the last time we were here, so today we're gonna do the Pines route. Really excited about this. The views are supposed to be spectacular, and it shouldn't be too bad of a hike from what we understand. So hopefully our legs will hold out. We haven't done a lot of biking or hiking recently, so this will be a big physical exertion, but what better day than to do it on the captain's birthday. Hey, Ruru!
Hey! Oh!
Oh,
love you!
thank you, Jess!
Thank you for making this is a heart over my heart for you.
That's the best birthday gift, to get a birthday greeting from you guys.
From two awesome fellas.
We're off to do some tree climbing on the beach.
Oh,
Good.
fun! Enjoy, you guys! All right, we're off. Okay, got it. All right. right, I think we've got a good situation here. We're not gonna flip this little yellow dinghy. We love this public beach right here with all the palm trees. Beautiful white sandy beach. It's right in front of our boat. Rotoui is right there. We just made the turn into the road that goes up into the middle of the island.
One of the prettiest places we've ever been to.
Yeah, this is just spectacular. We have gone up about maybe 1/5 of the hill, taking a break, getting some water. So far, no walking. Birthday boy's doing great. Woohoo!
Yeah, baby.
62 and going strong.
Yeah, baby. Whoa.
There's the birthday boy.
Conduire velo maintenant ici.
Woo! Go, baby, go. Oh, that's epic.
Wow, amazing.
All right, we made it up to Belvedere. How you feeling, birthday boy?
You know, that's probably the toughest part of our trip is cycling up that. We walked it a little bit, but not a lot. Just didn't want to risk any injury because we're on an extended training session for another circumnavigation of Moorea. The Admiral today requested that we do the, what's it, the Three Palms hike?
3 Pines.
3 Pines. Okay, so I think it's a 45-minute out and then 45 minutes back.
From here, yeah.
From here. We're gonna check it out. It's gonna be a beautiful view, get a little bit more exercise, and then we get some ice cream. Birthday boys on top of the world today. What a place to be on your birthday, especially in the presence of the Admiral.
Wow. Wow. Oh, it's amazing. Ah, Yorana. Ça va? Ah, lunch. Oh, Yorana. Wow. Wow, que fantastique. All right, 10:45. So we'll see how long it takes. Everyone says it's about 45 minutes. A little bit down, a lot up. We'll see how it goes. This trail is super pretty. There's a lot of people on it. It's a little bit easier than the Tres Cocos, so maybe that's why, but it's just beautiful. The diffused light coming through into the forest. It's so lush and so much to see. Wow, look at that view. Whew, beautiful. We are definitely getting close. Got tighter switchbacks. Wow. Oh, wow.
So much better than Belvedere.
This is amazing. Oh, this is better than Cocos,
Oh
too.
yeah, totally.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Happy birthday to me. I'm in the mountains and
Fabulous.
free.
Fabulous. Can someone move that tree?
Yeah.
Kind of ruining the view. Oh, this is very cool, actually. Yeah. Wow, we're up here at the top of the Three Pines hike, and it is unbelievable. We've done the Three Cocos, and the view is pretty, but it is nothing like this perspective. This is just out of this world. See the pineapple fields down below. Moorea is famous for making pineapples.
Mars and back. I mean, it was crazy. But, you know,
And this is the inside of the crater. This is the crater. This all out here is the crater wall.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so hard to leave that viewpoint, but we need to get going.
That was magnificent.
Yeah, it was just so special. It's incredible how beautiful the view is, and
Met so many nice people up there. So many nice people on the trip, on the walk.
Yeah, we did.
Everybody just seems to be in a good mood on French Polynesia.
I wonder why. And here we go, heading on down. If you can only choose one trail here in Moorea to take from Belvedere or wherever, we would definitely recommend Three Pines over 3 coconuts. The view is amazing. The trail is a little bit more open, a little less rooty, and
it's not as uphill, it's kind of rolling.
Yeah, it's quite a bit easier, I would say. And the view and the reward of the view is, I think, far greater than the Tres Cocos. Tres Cocos ends up on a ridge, and you can kind of see a little bit of Hapiti and a little bit of Openohu Bay, whereas 3 Pines puts you right between Openohu and Cooks, so you get this phenomenal view of the crater. And we would say this is probably our favorite hike so far in all of Moorea. I can hear the buses. Oh, and I see all the people. Oh my goodness. Ice cream time. Birthday boy's got his ice cream.
Coconut. 10 out of 10. Tiara. 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Birthday boy. 11 out of 10.
This is the tiare flower that we just had the flavor of the ice cream. It is such a beautiful aroma, and it is the national flower of French Polynesia. Finished the ice cream. Now, what's the next culinary delight?
You know, I think we're gonna get some fish with vanilla sauce.
Oh, yum.
And a big old cold hanano with the view. The view's gonna be good. The wind coming up.
Yeah.
The mountain.
Will be nice.
Cooling us.
Just the walk is going to be torture.
It's going to be birthday boy nirvana.
I've never seen that. Ah. This is the entrance to our favorite restaurant in Moorea, called Tropical Garden. And aside from the fact that it is a really long, steep hike up, it is amazing. With the hike, you get a beautiful view. So that's a good thing. But we're gonna leave the bikes down here. We're gonna lock them up in here. We started with a long bike ride, then a long hike, and now we've got to go all the way up to Tropical Garden. It is pure torture coming up here. Ah, love this little garden. There are definitely many reasons why this is our favorite restaurant. Of course, one is the view, but 2 is the fish with vanilla. Oh, merci.
Perfect.
Extra vanilla. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. You're my hero.
The vanilla sauce is the best here, and they fry the tuna. They bread it in coconut and then fry it. It is so good. And these are breadfruit fries.
These are coconut shrimp in vanilla sauce. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna die.
Oh, that was delicious. Good birthday lunch.
C'est très bien. Oui. Hey, hey.
These guys definitely have to take down the coconuts because this is a public park and beach. And if they didn't, wow, you'd have some deaths going on here. Death by coconut. These guys are cleaning up all of the coconut trees here, and He was so nice. He gave us a bunch of coconuts, water coconuts.
Oh, these are primo. These are so heavy.
They're so heavy.
Water. Yeah.
It's gonna be so much water. It's amazing. Thankfully, we're very close to where the dinghy is.
This is a stage 1 coconut, and it'll have like a little bit of gel meat in it, but mainly water.
Yeah, we'll have to open it carefully. All right. Whew.
The shower after the big bike ride.
Whew. Wow, perfect timing. We just got back and it is starting to really rain hard.